We take you now to Kermit the Frog with another fast-breaking news story.
Yeah, well, you better take a wide picture of it, because his nose grows, and we don't want.
This is EAS request for Portland, Oregon Police Department. The Kinland Police Department is looking for Kinland derailment in Oregon, is leading to AM 8 o'clock in the morning Heart Lake, Minnesota, Class 43 from Castro Juan Bisquick, Amtrak 9110 leading to Indiana. The 9110 derailment from evacuate their homes before train. Avon reports, they all evacuate from City of Kinland, Oregon State University on that this area. All residents are living from City Kinland, do not have to be crash site. You will be extremely trouble. If you see evacuate, call 911. The Portland Police Department will now turn you to the original programming.
City of Worcester around 11:30 this morning. The child was abducted by his non-custodial father, Michael Davis, age 28, height 6 foot 3 inches, 180 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing a blue Worcester Sharks t-shirt, blue jeans, and a New England Patriots hat. The suspect is driving a 2001 blue Ford Focus with unknown Massachusetts license plates. The suspect is likely headed for the city of Boston, and the suspect has a history of mental illness and is possibly armed. The child is believed to be in extreme danger. If the suspect vehicle, suspect, or child is spotted, do not approach it. Call 911, the Worcester Police Department at 508-799-8606 or the Massachusetts State Police. This concludes operations under the Massachusetts State Emergency Alert System. We now return you to regular programming.
The whole world, and then I sat on the moon, and then I became president of the United States.